I'm gonna show you how to set up ATR bands for stop loss placement in BabyPips. So to get started, you have to open your BabyPips account, and then from there you just have to set up ATR, which is you cannot, since BabyPips doesn't offer any trading system. So from there we just have to use TradingView or MT4 or MT5. So from there I'm gonna use TradingView but in BabyPips style. Okay, so to get started, you have to click on your TradingView or open your TradingView, and then from here you just have to go to the indicators right above, and then from there you just have to search ATR bands and select any on the community, which is you're going to use as reference for your ATR bands, of course. And then once you click on it, it will reappear on your automatically in your chart, and then you can see there that the ATR is now right here. And then how to use this one, or how to configure or set up this one, you just have to click on settings on it and then input all the desired details that you want, and then press OK. And then from here you can see that the chart is still the same. We can now put short or long position here. So for first, I'm gonna go for a long position right here, and then you just have to click on entry in anywhere that you like. And then from there, to set up your stop loss, is you have to drag it on the peak one, on the right here on the stop loss, and then after that you just have to delete. And for short position is you have to click again on any position, and then you just have to drag the stop loss from the peak of its reference, and then right here. And that's how you set up ATR bands for stop loss placement in BabyPip style using TradingView.